Okra Water Cure, the viral detox drink for weight loss, glowing skin, and optimal health. #CO. In recent years, natural remedies have gained significant attention for their potential health benefits. One such remedy that has been making waves is okra water. Known for its simplicity and effectiveness, okra water is touted as a cure-all for various health issues. In this article, we'll explore the benefits of okra water, how to prepare it, and why it's becoming a go-to solution for health enthusiasts. What is okra water? Okra water is a simple concoction made by soaking okra pods in water overnight. Okra, also known as quat, lady's finger, and quat, is a nutrient-rich vegetable packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. When soaked in water, okra releases its mucilage, a gel-like substance that contains most of its health-boosting properties. Health benefits of okra water. 1. Supports digestive health. Okra water is rich in dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and prevents constipation. The mucilage in okra acts as a natural lubricant for the digestive tract, easing bowel movements. 2. Regulates blood sugar levels. Studies suggest that okra water may help stabilize blood sugar levels, making it a potential aid for individuals with diabetes. The soluble fiber in okra slows down sugar absorption in the intestines. 3. Boosts immune system. Okra is loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, which strengthen the immune system and protect the body against infections and diseases. 4. Promotes weight loss. Low in calories and high in fiber, okra water can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing unnecessary snacking and aiding in weight management. 5. Improves skin health. The antioxidants in okra water help combat free radicals, reducing signs of aging and promoting clear, glowing skin. 6. Supports heart health. Okra contains compounds that may help lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. How to prepare okra water. Making okra water is incredibly easy. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Wash 3 to 4 fresh okra pods thoroughly. 2. Cut off the stems and slice the pods in half. 3. Place the okra pods in a glass of water, about 8 to 10 ounces. 4. Cover the glass and let it soak overnight at room temperature. 5. In the morning, remove the okra pods and drink the water on an empty stomach. For best results, consume okra water daily for at least 2 to 3 weeks. Article by Alexander Okran. Video content creator, graphic designer. Contact +233 557 363681.